there, welcome back to my channel where it's all about tap and love. In today's tap dance tutorial for intermediate and advanced tappers, we're going to learn my favorite scuffle time step. I'm so excited. No, I really am. I learned this step years ago from a wonderful choreographer in the LA area, and I have been teaching it to my students ever since. Now, this is just one version of the scuffle time step, so stay tuned to future videos to learn a second version. Today we are going to tackle not only the single, but the double, the triple, and the quadruple time step. And then we're gonna have a little fun by putting it all together with music. Quick note, if you have stumbled on this video for the first time and you are a beginning tapper, you might want to check out my beginning tap tutorial series. Guess what? It's that time again. Time for our shout out. This shout out goes to Lisa in Southern California. Lisa is in the drama department at UC Irvine. Thanks for sharing, Lisa, and I am loving seeing you do the combination. Now, on to my favorite version of the scuffle time step. Let's do it. We're going to start on the right foot on 8 and with a scuffle on the right foot. Scuffle, 8 and. So we're going to do 8 and 1. So heel drop on the left. We start with the right with the scuffle, heel drop on the left. 8 and 1. Then we're going to do step, heel. So let's try that all together. 8 and 1. 2 and, then we're going to add on a scuff on the left foot, scuff, and then a step, 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 step. So we have scuffle, heel, step, heel, scuff, step, step. To the front, that is scuffle, heel, step, heel, scuff, step, step. A little bit slower. I'm going to do it to the side this time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2 and up. 3 and. Okay, we're going to keep going. Let's try it on the left. That is scuffle, heel, step, heel, scuff, step, step. To the side. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Step, heel, scuff, step, step. So that is a single scuffle time step on the right and on the left. Let's do it again a little bit faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2 and up, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and up, 7. Okay, let's do the double. So you're just going to add one additional sound on the double. So we start with the same step, 8 and 1. Now we're going to add an extra sound here on the and. And. So we do 8 and 1 and then we're going to finish the time step. Step, heel, scuff, step, step. Let's try that again. Right foot, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and step, heel, scuff, step, step. 8 and 1, and 2 and up, 3 and. Then we do it on the left. 4 and 5, and 6 and up, 7. We'll do that to the front now. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2 and up, 3 and 4 and 5, and 6 and up, 7. So let's do the single and double together. 2 singles, 2 doubles. Starting with the right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2 and up, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and up, 7, 8 and 1. And 2 and up, 3 and 4 and 5, and 6 and up, 7. How'd you do? Good? Ready to keep going? Let's do the triple. Okay, so the triple, we're going to add an additional sound. So rather than just the toe dig, we are going to replace that with a shuffle. So we're going to do scuffle, heel, shuffle. And then step, heel, scuff, step, step. So the counts are 8 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and. So you add an and a rather than just the and. Again, on the right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and a 2, and a 3, and. Same thing on the left foot. 4, and 5, and a 6, and a 7. Yeah? Let's do 2 singles, 2 doubles, 2 triples. Here we go. A 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, and a 3, and 4, and 5. 6, and a 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and a 7, 8, and 1, and a 2, and a 3, and 4, and 5, and a 6, and a 7. All right, we're going to add in one more sound. We're going to do scuffle, heel, shuffle, heel. Then the step, heel, scuff, step, step. So the counts are 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, E, and a 2, and a 3, and 4, and 5, E, and a 6, and a 7. One more time. This time I'll do it to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, E, and a 2, and a 3, and 4, and 5, E, and a 6, and a 7. Now we are going to do 2 singles, 2 doubles, 2 triples, and 2 quadruples. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and a 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and a 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and a 7, 8, and 1, and a 2, and a 3, and 4, and 5, and a 6, and a 7, 8, and 1, E, and a 2, and a 3, and 4, and 5, E, and a 6, and a 7. Woo! All right, let's do it to music.
We still have somewhere to go.
5, 6,
so
7.
why don't you come over? So why don't you come over? Why don't you come over? Why don't you come over?
How'd you guys do? I think my second quadruple time step was a little bit offbeat. I don't know, we'll see how it turns out, but start slow and you can always speed it up. Just a lot of fun. I love this one. It's so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed learning my favorite version of the Scuffle time step. I would really love to see you giving it a try. So again, film yourself, send it to me on Instagram. If you're enjoying these tap tutorials, you can support my channel by getting these videos in front of other people. Take 10 seconds and do these 4 things. Subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button, click on the bell so that you're alerted when new videos are uploaded, and leave a quick comment about this video below. And please, please, please send me your requests for future videos, or if you have questions, you can put them in the comment box below. Thanks, tappers. I will see you soon. Quick note, if you stump,